This is Varun. Today I will be sharing the notes for Janaganamana. It's based on Shankarabharana Ragam. The notes I will be listing you can play just by seeing this. Thank you. So as I said, the song is based on Shankarabharana Ragam. The notes I will be listing here: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. It's a major scale. Sarigama Pancha. Sarigama Janagana. The notes I have posted already in my website varunchan.blogspot. So here the notes is Janagana, like Sari, C, D, E, F. So C. That is D, E, F. That is C, G. That is D, F, E. That is C, D, E, F. Same, the notes are same. So again, high pitch note. This is Pa. So song combinedly we can play like this.